Ma'am, what are the key issues in this election? What will be the major poll planned for Congress
You
Party?
know, there are major issues now in Haryana. For example, the poor feel totally left out. They feel left out. The किसान feels left out. अब ये लास्ट में अनाउंसमेंट्स बहुत किए हैं इन्होंने सबके लिए, लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बट आई डोंट थिंक देयर एनी टेकर्स फॉर दैट एनी मोर. The unemployment, it's a huge issue in Haryana. Then there have been scams, there have been paper leaks. Most of the, there's a lot of backlog, vacancies. I would say that if we come down to few major issues, unemployment would be there, the poor would be there, the also connected with unemployment and inflation, महंगाई, kisan issues, again a major issue is there. So all these things are there. Then of course there are other things also. But I would say, and then there are some decisions which the government takes. They've announced Parivar Pehchan Patra. Parivar Pehchan Patra has also proved to be such a scam. आप बनाओ, उसमें गलत कुछ हो जाए, how can you ever get it rectified? So the poor people have to keep going round. So then education. Who goes to government schools? The poorest. They're closing down primary schools everywhere. A lot of issues which are actually affecting a common person's life. You go to small shopkeepers, small business people today, whether it's GST, whether it's other taxes, the whole environment is vitiated. Then corruption. You know, they like to show in media and otherwise that corruption per control and all, but I would in fact request you to go down any road in Haryana and talk about corruption. Go to any town. How, the log kahenge ki ji. See, I can't say that it was always corruption free. Let's be realistic. But people will tell you कि जी पहले जो 500 में होता था वो 5000 में हो रहा है. So, it affects people directly. A lot of such things are taking place and people are now looking for a change.
Salilji, I have a question about women and safety of women.
I'm glad because this was going to be my next, safety of women, safety of the crime against the weaker sections, women, SCs, all that is going up in Haryana.
In that context, I wanted to ask you whether the government in West Bengal handled that case in the Kolkata rape case properly, or could they have done? I know Rahul Gandhi has commented on it, but I would like you as a woman leader.
As a woman, I mean, honestly, again, it took me a few days to read the details because as a woman, it affects you so much, so much. It was so gruesome. I didn't want to even read about it, what you could make out. So I didn't want to know the details. This kind of thing happening anywhere and it's increasing day by day. Government has to be, any administration before the government has to be very sensitive and respond immediately before it blows out. It happens time and again, but many times you find that people are being shielded. As far as Bengal incident is concerned, I think it's still going on and we have yet to come to any conclusion. So I really wouldn't want to.
Without diminishing the horror of what happened in Kolkata, do you think that we as Indians take notice of these kind of incidents only when it happens in urban areas, when it happens to an upper middle class family, and not so much when it happens in...
And much of it goes unreported. And even if it's reported, who takes action? You're absolutely right. It happens to a certain section and then it's taken note of. And then the media, I think media plays a major role in this. What is, exposed. So that also draws attention. I would say that, as you said, without going into the horror of things. This is happening. This is happening in our society. This is happening. I mean, why does it happen that such people do it without fear? You know, that's a question all of us should ask, from the society, from the administration. That what has happened in the earlier cases? People feel कि ठीक है 2 दिन 4 दिन की बात है, जेल काट आएंगे. That fear has to be instilled in such criminals, potential criminals. They should see that somebody did this, this happened to them. I think media should also then show the outcome of someone, you know, the criminal, what has happened to that person, whether he has got the punishment that he deserves. Only then it may be a deterrent and quick, fast justice.
Would you then recommend or support the death penalty for rape cases as being demanded?
Of course, there are degrees, and that should come out very clearly, because so many times you find a judge in Bengal, Calcutta High Court, saying certain things about girls. If these people, हमारे यहाँ कहावत है कि अगर रक्षक ही भक्षक हो जाएगा या बाड़ी खेत को खाएगी तो प्रोटेक्ट कौन करेगा? So when such things come out from judiciary or from those law enforcement agencies, then I'm afraid it weakens the case.